Outline. Coloring. Time. Shading, highlight, and dark color.